So here are some of like the ideas we came up with, because one of the assignments was just to make a clay sculpture of what we thought, like a prototype of what we think the finished product should look like.
It kind of morphed its way into this is the final product, but we all kind of just shaped and made what we thought would be a good idea. So we have a bunch of the ideas inside, but these are the main ones that we really like to focus on.
I think it's really cool to be able to make our mark on the school because SDA has definitely inspired me and affected who I am as a person in a great way, and so I want to be able to kind of give back to the community.
But in this project, I'm looking for something that when I leave the campus, it'll be there, and I'll be able to come back whenever I want and be like, I was part of that.
All right, here we are at Home Depot. But we don't want to put foam right on the concrete, so these will be the first 2 layers, and then we'll build the foam on that, and then we're going to do chicken wire over the whole thing, and then we'll do cement over the whole thing. And then after the cement, then you guys start doing the tile and the grout and all that. Let's go ahead and grab, you want to grab the other end of these?
Mostly cement and mosaic, that's going to be the main medium. But under that, we're going to have like a foam core wrapped in chicken wire. We're going to cement that on and we're going to mosaic the entire thing. We've done similar projects before.
So we're going to go see Ozzy the seahorse. Now the reason that he's down here is because there's a bunch of portables waiting for the new buildings to be built. I don't know who chooses the colors for these portables, but it looks like poopy brown. In fact, all the kids say that there. So, yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. The materials we used, the whole thing is a foam core, and we actually glued it vertically. So basically, it's just wood glue and foam. And then, so once we did that, we glued each tile on. And then after that, we grouted the whole thing. And then that was it.
There are no limits to what we can do. It's up to the students to create, and I think Mr. Wright giving us that freedom is really cool, and SDA giving us the freedom to make our own sculptures. I think that's a really cool thing too.
It's truly a school for students, and we get a lot of influence and kind of power in to see what we want to do on campus, and they let us do it.
We have lots of student murals and student work around the campus so that we kind of can create our own school, and it really represents who we are as a student body.
And with all of the new construction that's been going on at our school, I feel like we've kind of lost a lot of our classic art and that whole vibe we have going on. So I think this is a big effort in bringing that back to our school.